Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live, and this is a look at Doppler radar estimates of rainfall across the valley. And we're also crawling across the bottom of your screen with reports of rainfall from across the area as we went through a very soggy Tuesday night. Notice these deep red and purple splotches here out west of the Devil's Lake area, at western parts of Grand Forks County, central parts of Grand Forks County near Emerado, and Griggs County as well. These areas with radar estimates between 5 and 10 inches of rain, dealing with rapidly moving water, and also we still have the soggy conditions around. In Fargo, we got anywhere from 1/4 of an inch reported to 4/10 in South Moorhead. So wide-ranging amounts of rain, but right now we're enjoying some crystal clear skies on your Valley Sky Cam. So we head into the evening hours. The temperatures, they've taken a little bit of a break, and gone is that ridiculous humidity. Yesterday it's 85. It feels like 85. That humidity is in the 45% range, and we have south winds at about 10 miles per hour. Elsewhere, temperatures range from the upper 70s in Lakes Country. Thief River Falls at 79, 80 in Devil's Lake. We have a 84-degree reading right now in Jamestown. So gone are the 90s as well. That's nice. And here's those dew points once again. Yesterday's dew points in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees at times up in Roseau. And we've swept that out. Now, we still have dew points in the 60s in our eastern counties. That's still a little bit on the muggy side, but it looks like the muggy is going to return in the forecast. The thunderstorm chances way out to the east. We have crystal clear skies for most of the valley, and way out to the west in the mountains of Montana and the Black Hills, we're seeing some convection or thunder showers develop. And now, as we head into the evening, just perfect out there. Temperatures very comfortable. The wind light, skies clear. Notice our model paints a couple of clouds out there. We cannot rule out a spotty thunder shower, but other than that, that is it. Almost all of us will stay quiet and temperatures slip into the 70s. Overnight, we slip into the 60s for most areas. We stay quiet, but that wind will be from the south, and it'll be on the persistent side all night long at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And as we go through the early morning hours, those winds will begin picking up already, upwards of 20 miles per hour with gusts out to the west where you see the yellow arrows hitting the 20 to 25 mile per hour mark. Temperatures already for your lunch hour will be well into the 80s. And it'll be a, well, shed the sweater kind of day because temperatures are on their way to near 90 for almost all areas. Late thunderstorms possible in the central Dakotas. 1 or 2 of these storms may slip into our western counties. Notice our model says they kind of run out of energy as they work into the valley. So for Fargo, temperatures rise out of the 60s quickly, race through the 70s. The wind picks up as well, and we'll have temperatures that will be sliding into the 90s. And it's sweaty everywhere, near 90 degrees for all of us with a breeze from the south. Scary skies here. Brittany captured this in the Jamestown area of those dark clouds yesterday. Those were some rain-producing storms out there with a few funnels sighted as well. A 91-degree day on your Friday, and a dangerous heat will last all the way through the weekend, as a matter of fact, for most areas. Storms look to be most prevalent on the 4th of July, so we've highlighted that as a first alert weather day for those storms. If you're out and about, make sure you stay informed about the weather. The heat relents a little bit into the middle of next week.